clutch on a heavy loop, riding the rhythm like a silver hoop. You move that body like it's built for the wind. Baseline deep where the pulses begin. No script, no future, just the now and the here. You cut through the music like a diamond spear. Whisper close like a storm in the chest. Shortwave signaling I'm the guest. Like a kick drum, boom.